Deputy Speaker jong kaying darbar thawan ke Jylla Timothy Shira metakasi balang kekat artrik uleber arhajar arpusan ula ujor dek ijahar persyak ya arngut ke YouTuber haying kashiri ke belapen sengutu bakalaya Hapoh sosial media. Timothy Shira ula Dawa yakini ki arngut ke YouTuber ke belapen Pynthohbria ya Hapoh sosial media bagi day banseu marsis pak Klur tengka. Kini ki arngut ke belapen Pynthohbria ya Hapoh sosial media ke kentup ya kambikan ci marak kabadai na dagar giri Golpara distrik Assam bat uwei pat udai balarang marak ubadai na thapa daran ci North Garo Hill district.
I'm filing a defamation case and criminal case against two persons. One is Balsan Sangma and one is Mekanchi Armara. Arsangma. So our individual, one is a person, a man from my constituency, and other one is from Dorongre, from Assam.
What is the allegation?
What is the allegation? They have made it viral in the YouTube, say regarding my speech in the assembly with regard to the making to the winter capital. So there, I think you have the record of my speech. So they said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details and what I have spoken in the house, they have made flash in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, the making to the winter capital, and thereby, you see, he has. He said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community. That means Garo.
What is the
Today we have filed two different defamations. One is civil defamation and one is the criminal defamation. So filed a defamation suit for claiming a damage of 100 crores from each of them. And this is because they have wrongly interpreted what my client, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the assembly. One of the accused person or the defendant is from Assam, who has nothing to do with Meghalaya. She has interpreted the statement given or the speech what he has spoken in the assembly in a different manner, and that has defamed my client in his constituency, in the Garo Hills area, and in the entire Meghalaya. For that, he is aggrieved with the action of these two people. That is why he has approached this honorable court today by filing these two defamation cases.
what is to
Explain a little more on the background of these two individuals.
See, what my client, Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the assembly against that they have made a video whereby certain allegation was made against of him. This allegation against my client, as per his understanding, was wrong, whatever they have interpreted. And now, since the matter is sub judice before this honorable court, it will not be wise for us to give more details than this. Thank you so much.
No, these two individuals.
Oh, one is the YouTuber and one is just mere social media user.
YouTubers from where?
It's from Garo Hills.
One is from Assam.
One is from Assam and one is from Garo Hills.
Can you give the correct name of this?
Yeah, one is Mekanchi Arsangma, another one is Balsrang Mara. Mekanchi Arsangma is from Garo Hills, Golpara district, and the other one is from North Garo Hills. Thank you so much.
They are he or she?
One is he and one is she. Come, sir.